Hello! So guys, we have another video. It's a Makeup Revolution Pro video, and that was my phone. And I have two products I'm going to talk about today because they're going to go kind of together. I was going to do them separately, but I don't want that to be like monotonous. We're going to do using these two new products, the Supreme Eyeshadow Intoxicated, and we're going to use probably one or two of these Glisten Up glitters because I want to try these so bad and I've wanted to do this for ages. So we're going to start with this eyeshadow. So these eyeshadow, the 8 pan ones, I believe, I could be completely wrong, but I believe that this is £6. I could be wrong. No, I'm pretty sure it's £6, and I think I paid $4 something for it because I did get the 3 for 2, and I noticed when I got the thing on Superdrug, the 3 for 2 is like literally like they just took money off of each product. So that was really cool. So we're gonna go with this. These colors are so in right now. You know, you have your orange and your red, which I love reds. So you have these 4 are matte. So this one, this one, this one, and this one are matte. These 3, as you can see, are shine. This one and this one have a bit of glitter in them, but hardly anything. This looks like a rose goldy kind of color. Yeah, and then this end one is matte as well. Yeah, even though it does look like it might have a little bit of glitter in it, I don't think they're matte. So we are going to, why is this brush out? Oh, whoop. If you're wondering what I have on my face, I have the foundation stick. I'm doing a first impressions on it as we speak. And then the highlighter is also from Revolution. I'm trying so hard not to say Makeup Revolution. The Revolution Pro highlighter in Ice is what I have on my cheeks and my Cupid's bow and a little on my nose. I tried out all 3 colors in the palette. So we're gonna get going with this. And I'm gonna take my favorite E20 brush. So I'm taking the Blank Canvas E20 brush. It's a gorgeous fluffy brush. I'm gonna start with that first color. And I'm gonna go, okay, a little bit of fallout is definitely coming off onto this, you know what I'm saying. I can't talk. Whoa. This color is extremely pigmented. Oh. I hate when I have creasing in the crease, so you don't want to have that. So I set my eyes a bit, but it's still getting a bit of creasing. So this is the first shade. They don't have names, so it's just the palette. This color is very, very pigmented, a lot more pigmented than I thought. Like that has a bit of pigmentation there. And that is the palest color. We're just blending that out. And we're just blending, and it is blending nice. And just making the eyes match is very, very important. Okay, so that's the first color. I'm loving that. I'm gonna go in with the same brush, and I'm actually going to take probably, oh, I want to do all these colors. I'm going to take the orange. So the third color here, that orange just keeps calling my name for some reason. I love a good orange. And this is an amazing orange. This is super pigmented. I hardly even tapped my brush in. They are blending really, really, really nice, guys. Like really nice. That is beautiful. Like so pigmented. Like I hardly even have to tap my brush in and it's just picking up so much pigmentation. I'm loving that. So I'm gonna get a different brush now. A little more detailed brush. So I'm gonna go with Blank Canvas's, no, that's not the one I want. The Blank Canvas E42 brush, and we're gonna go into the red now, that really, really deep red. And we're gonna put this kind of out on the half, probably half. So on the outer V, and then just in halfway. Because I really want that orange to stick out. Man, I'm going super light-handed with this, and I'm getting no fallout yet, which is great. but I like to go in very lightly, take a little bit, apply, take a little bit, apply, because I don't like getting fallout, especially when I have my makeup already on. So I'm just sticking this red in the crease just to darken it, as you can see. Now we have lost a little bit of the orange, so what I want to do is just go back in with that and blend that. So back in with the brush I had, just tap in. And we're just blending. Now try not to get it too high, Ashley, gee. That is so pretty and so pigmented. I find the camera is picking it up lovely, which is great. So we'll probably come back into that, but for the time being, I want to put actually a little bit of a color on the lid, and then I want to put some glitter primer on. So I'm taking my E.l.f. from Blank Canvas, which I absolutely love, and I'm going to take this first glittery color here. It's like a rose goldy kind of color with a little bit of glitter. It has a little bit of glitter in it. Just tap off. Ooh, that's pretty, and that's not even wet. That is so pigmented. I will swatch these colors for you guys in a minute. Oh wow. I'm sure you've seen things about these. Wow, 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 wow. These are really, really pigmented. I love the pattern on the eyeshadows as well, like that little like rigid look. Really pretty. So I'm really liking this color. Okay, and then what I want to do is get some glitter glue, and I have glitter glue from e.l.f. I'm gonna get the NYX glitter glue. So we're gonna apply some glitter glue just over top, and I'm not doing anything specific. I just want to stick the glitter all over the eye pretty much. So just a little bit of glitter glue, because this stuff is really e.l.f.'s glitter glue. It just looks like this. It is really, really sticky. Okay, I'm looking for a specific brush. Ah, there we are. Okay, so we're gonna try it with a brush, and then we're gonna try it without a brush. Okay, so I opened it up and I picked a color, and I'm gonna do this one because it just looks amazing. Glisten Up Flash. This is one of the ones that just really caught my eye because it's got that kind of coppery gold. It just looks amazing. Okay, but I better hurry because I have this glitter glue on my eye. Okay, this brush isn't really picking it up, so I've got to dig a little bit more into the thing. Okay, okay. Oh, I picked up way too much. It's like a hair or something as well, which is not good. What in the world? Okay, I don't know what that was about. Okay, that's better. Don't know if there was like a hair on my brush or a hair in the glitter. Okay, we had a few little dropouts, but other than that, oh, you guys, look at that. I'm gonna try applying it maybe with my finger. Oh, that is really pretty. I don't know. Yes. I think I'm gonna have to put a little more glitter glue on because I think my glitter glue just dried up a little bit because it took me a minute to get into the flippin' thing. So I need to make the eye sticky again. So let me maybe, I don't think it applies very well with the brush, so I'm just gonna try my finger again. I'm gonna use my ring finger. Much better. Yeah. You guys, these are stunning. I love glitter. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are beautiful. A little messy, I will say that, but these are stunning. That is the color Flash. We can clean it up a little bit. These are all beautiful. I'm scared to like tip them up because I don't have the plastic thing on, but these colors, these glitters, I'm so happy. I love pressed glitter. if you don't know me, I love glitter, so. Okay, the glitter's just quite wiping away quite easily from under my eyes, so that's good. But I definitely did get a little bit of fallout, so I would definitely say if you're gonna use these, maybe do the glitter first. So then I'm just gonna go under the eyes, finish that up. I feel like these colors are going to go under the eyes beautifully, just as beautiful as they went on anyway. And then we're gonna put a little bit of glitter, I think, in the crease of the eye. So I'm gonna take a pencil brush from Blank Canvas, it's the E23, and I'm just gonna take probably the orange, and we're gonna bring it right from the corner into the eye. Yep, it's applying amazing, just like it did on the top of the eye, just as nice underneath. I've got glitter literally everywhere. I caused a mess with that. A little bit of the red on the outer part of the eye again. Stunning. And then we're going to take a little bit of that first color and we're going to apply that just right at the front. Just so that we have all three of the colors that we used. And then I'm gonna go actually back in with the F42 that we used for the red. And we're just gonna put a little more red up to the glitter because we did lose a little bit of that pigmentation. Oh my gosh, this glitter is fantastic. And then into the crease a little bit, just to blend it all really nicely. The sun is coming out, so, but that is that palette, and those glitters are beautiful. So we're gonna, the palette is a hit, guys. Get that palette, seriously, it is beautiful. I wanna try putting this one here, which has multi-glitters galore, and it is called Fame, and it just looks like this. So I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Maybe if I put it in like out of focus. Look at all those multi glitters in there. And then I'm gonna take like a really small detail kind of brush, if I have one. Yeah, I have this one, which is the E07. It is really, really small. I'm gonna just try, see if I can pick up a little bit of that glitter and just place it in the corner of the eye. Yes, I don't know if you guys can see that because I literally am just putting a little bit of this at a time. It's like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty because I don't really have glitter glue there, but I do want to try it without glitter glue. I think you're gonna need glitter glue for sure for these, but it is applying quite nice without glitter glue. So that's, just bear that in mind. It might work if you put like concealer down and do it over concealer wet. Oh my gosh, these are freaking amazing. I'm loving that so much. I have glitter everywhere though, so I should have done that first. But those are those colors, absolutely fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, that's the eyeshadows and the glitters, the pressed glitters from Revolution Pro. I highly recommend these, guys. These are fantastic eyeshadows, super pigmented, super beautiful. One thing about this palette, you probably will need other ones because there's not really an inner corner brightening color or a brow bone color. So I am gonna have to go off and kind of use something else for those. But for that review, that is amazing. These glitters are fantastic, amazing, love them. I love glitter, so if you love glitter, you will like these. Get you some. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've tried these and what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, hit the thumbs up button. See you guys. Bye.